Today we're going to go over which pop filter might be good for you and when you should use a pop filter. A pop filter, pop shield, or pop screen is a noise protection filter for microphones, typically used in recording studios. It serves to reduce or eliminate popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact of fast-moving air on a microphone. Distance between a pop filter and the singer, otherwise known as the talent, will depend on the power of that person's voice. The more powerful their voice is, the more you'd want to back them up away from the pop filter. If you thought a pop filter could reduce background noise, it doesn't. When we say words such as people and pain, the sudden air pressure would cause the microphone to overload. Saying goes, when someone laughs into a microphone, the air pressure would simply cause the microphone to pop. However, distance means that you will need to increase your microphone gain. More gain means more room noise. I'd like to give a shout out and a thank you to KT's Quilted Treasures for the gift of the mug and t-shirt bearing our logo. You can also find KT's Quilted Treasures on Facebook. KT'sQuiltedTreasures.com. A louder, harder kind of singing, the pop filter should be about a palm's distance from the microphone. If you're recording softer, intimate singing, you can place the pop filter 2 or 3 fingers away from the microphone. This is just the rule of thumb I use for recording myself and other people. You can just put a sock over the microphone. It works as well as a pop filter. If you have any ideas for upcoming videos, please leave a comment in the link below. This is my favorite pop filter for general recording, which fits over most microphones with these elastic bands. It fits snug, it doesn't fall, doesn't move. If you'd like to buy any of Roy's Studio Adventures merch, you'll find it in the link below under My Merch. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.